Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlu Ayinde, one of the economic developer within the Kringle Society. This afternoon, in response to some questions that some people were asking in regards to our distribution period. Now, if you can see from my screen, this is what our distribution period is, and this is what the full mature TBC structure will be. That is why we are encouraging everyone to position yourself rightly. If you can see the green lines, we have 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and 1 million. And that's are the people, that is the present core team. Now, we are going to have that number of people are people that will be on the billionaire zone. 1,111,111 members. And we have minimum of one OTBC. Guys, if you have just one whole TBC, is something, it's money. And those are the people that will be the TBC billionaires when we get our full economic phase. Now, the next three lines are the millionaire zone. The millionaire zone. They are members with more than 0.001 TBC coin. What they have is not up to a coin. Is that where you want to place yourself? No. So it is better now that the opportunity is available and is ongoing. Place yourself well and place yourself rightly. And the golden bar down and going beyond will be the employment zone. Those are the people that we, the billionaires, will employ and will be able to create multiples, hundreds, thousands, millions of jobs. And by there will be good circulation. Why? Because we have enough Kringles to pay their salary. I mean, good salaries. So, guys, the billion coin distribution, the distribution phase of the billion coin is known as the TBC, and the smaller increment of it are called Kringles. Humanity has grown tired of several inequality within the world today, and the Kringle Society is a private society but not a secret society. Was established with the mission to end poverty globally, and once and for all, this is a movement of people, by the people, and for the people to raise up humanity into a state of abundance for all. And this vision was birthed on March 21st, 2016. 1 billion coins were created on the TBC blockchain with the intent to distribute these coins throughout humanity to create a million billionaires and a billion millionaires. Which of the category do you want to belong to? The billionaires or the millionaires? And these coins were all in the admin's wallet. Since then, we have been distributing these coins out of the admin's wallet through a sharing process out to our ever-growing membership within the society. Most of us call it TBC community. You are now a part of the community and you are entitled to a gift of some of these coins, currently worth thousands of dollars. You need to set up your TBC wallet to get your gift. Once all these coins are emptied out of the admin wallet, that will bring to an end the TBC distribution phase. So, guys, for many who are asking when will we end the distribution, admin keep distributing coins, guys, until the admin's wallet is emptied. Then the full economic begins. We need to empty the admin's wallet. Why? Because TBC, we are building an economic from ground up. We can use these coins with our participating merchants, and presently now TBC has over 22,000 merchants across the world who are accepting these Kringles even as partial payments for goods and services. As you can imagine, it does not take time and great deal to collective effort to build a new economy from the ground up. The full value of these coins are locked up. So people will be saying, When are we going to spend our all the millions in our wallet and this it is locked up until we have enough matter spread all over the world to say that we have unlocked? And then there comes the end of the distribution and the full value of the coins will come out. So guys, the chart I showed you above, these charts, these charts, the mature TBC structure illustrate that it will look illustrate what it will look like when we completely unlock the value for our coins. So guys, the TBC distribution is on. Place yourself rightly. Did you want to be among the billionaires, or you want to position yourself among those the 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 millionaires or even the thousandaires? Because people who have those fractions of kringles, they will not get to the level of being a millionaire. So guys, do what is needful now. Very simple. Pay your program fee regularly. And as a result of that, coins are being distributed to you for every payment you make. So guys, I advise you, if possible, if you can pay the annual fee, pay it once and for all, and you'll be free for the next 12 calendar months, and you will have a bonus of 1,000 coins. At the same time, 100 TBC coins every month. And guys, guess what? All our meetings, you also you have access to the rewards. 1 TBC for every meeting that you attend and you submit the keyword. So guys, there is enough opportunity to acquire more coins now. Come on board. Stop dilly-dallying. Stop procrastinating. This is right time for you to come on board and acquire as many coins as you can. Guys, don't think we that we are in the community and we are paying our programs fee, even annual program fee, and we are collecting these coins. Don't think we are a fool. We are not. We understand it well and we know what we are, and we are enjoying the dividend of it. So guys, do all within your best. This is a sacrifice for your future, for the future of your wife, for the future of your children. Do all within your power. Come into the community, be active. Ensure you pay your program fee. Either you pay an annual fee or you pay your program fee monthly regularly. Regularly. That is the lifeline by which the community is moving forward. Don't forget, we are debt free and we are self-sustaining community. So guys, welcome on board, and I welcome you to the TBC matured structure. That is our full economy. So guys, stop dilly-dallying. Come on board. Let's join the force together and let's us enjoy the dividend that we have locked up in our wallet. So if you are here listening to me or watching me right now, you are yet to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. And guess what? If you are not a member yet, there's a link below this video. Click on that link. Subscribe to it. And guess what? We welcome you to the TBC community. And indeed, you will enjoy being part of us. So subscribe to the channel, share to your loved ones. I welcome you on board. Thank you. Love you. God bless you.